So here are a few examples of how the Census Accelerator program works. We will create multiple pipelines and leverage powerful intender data targeting. Example sales pipeline number 1. Direct persons in need, their family members, or their spouse. We will locate these individuals that have intentions on finding an SUD solution on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, top websites, and mobile apps. Step 1. The prospect finds us through a data-driven ad or message. They have the option to call immediately, or to book a Zoom call, or to book a phone call in the near future. When a prospect books a meeting, here's what happens through simultaneous automation. All of the prospect's information is automatically placed into the Magic Bullet platform, including name, phone number, and email. Next, a calendar invite is sent to the prospect with text reminders and a call to action for the prospect to call in immediately if need be. A calendar invite is sent to you as well, with an immediate opportunity to call the prospect based on your discretion. Both parties will receive the calendar invite, which will include a unique Zoom link or the option for them to call in to your direct number for the meeting. All parties will receive text reminders and calendar invites. The entire process that I just described is fully automated, meaning you don't have to send calendar invites, you don't have to create Zoom links, you don't have to send phone numbers. It is fully automated. Step 2. Your first meeting with the prospect. During your first call, you can move the prospect into assessment and close, or they can request more information and a follow-up call. During the assessment, you can use your customized assessment onboarding form and fill out the appropriate information. Fill out the form, hit submit, and the information will be emailed automatically to admissions, to the biz rep, and to the person who is providing the transportation to the client if the client chose to be picked up. All parties will receive a text message letting them know that a new client is checking in and that an email has been sent with the information. The client will also receive a text message confirming basic pickup information. You can now move the client into the Assessment Complete section of the Magic Bullet. The other option is, if a prospect is not ready to enter the program, you can drag and drop them into the More Information section, and the prospect will automatically be emailed your desired information, and you can also schedule a time to follow up with a call. Step 3. Transferring medical records. Medical records can be transferred by using our recommended compliant application technology. Once the records have been successfully transferred, simply drag and drop into the appropriate stage in the Magic Bullet. Example pipeline number 2. Case managers, emergency care doctors, and county contract opportunities. We will reach this pipeline by leveraging LinkedIn, top mobile apps, webinars, and data targeting on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We will get you unlimited meetings that will lead to referrals and contracts. This will all be executed with the power of automation that will save you 15 to 20 hours per week. Once the new client has been referred to you, you will move them into the direct persons in need, family members, and spouses pipeline. These are just a few examples of the power of our technology and approach, and it's why it allows us to guarantee ROI. Book a call with us today to learn more about how together we can save souls and make the world a better place.